Greetings to all of our current customers. This is Chuck Price, Marketing Director here at Modern Impressions. You may or may not know me. I kind of stay behind the scenes a lot, but you may see an email come out from time to time. I just wanted to quickly, first and foremost, thank you so much for being a loyal customer and client here at Modern Impressions. We really appreciate your business. I also wanted to let you know that if you currently own or lease a copier or a printer machine with us, that Modern Impressions, we do many other types of office technology. We do everything from postage machines, wide format, folder inserters, cutters, pretty much everything outside of phone service we provide. We do managed IT services and computer network services, even work from home solutions. If you have any other types of equipment or services that you may need, feel free to reach out to us. I can be reached at 336-275-8629. That's 336-275-8629. Once again, this is Chuck Price, your Marketing Director here at Modern Impressions, and I hope you have a wonderful day.